What are you doing? Sorry. Demon.
Say hi.
Is that fun? You can rock the pink swing.
When you're done, Maddie, I'll take a good picture. So you can see.
What are you picking? Ooh, pretty. Careful, bud.
Well, that's cool. Is he still around? Yeah. Living up? Did you have a meeting with him yet?
Ooh.
No more lying, just go out and sell cards?
Good job.
Do what I say.
Let's see, Kylie.
Pretty princess.
Wow. That is so pretty.
You want to take your dinosaur head off? So you can have a face painting? Huh?
He looks so cute.
He likes skulls too.
Oh yeah, all the scary stuff. He's been loving the Halloween stuff. Like the ghosts and everything he's like into. Alright. Whoa, you look freaky. Cool, buddy.
Hold still, Ryan.
Let me see, Candace. Oh my gosh, you look like a real. Go show Daddy. Where's Daddy? There he is, over here. Show Daddy.
Look at you.
Isn't our jack-o'-lantern adorable? Just kidding. Can't see anything. Isn't it so cute? Okay, let's light it. There it is. Kylie made the eyes. Well, she drew the eyes and the mouth. And Kane was in charge of the extras, or the nose and the extras. So he made a scar and ears and a mosquito bite. Which is right here.
Is that
There's a little light going out of it. So, can you turn on the light, Jace? Yeah. Kylie, what do you think of it?
Love it.
Awesome.
It's a zombie pumpkin, right?
Zombie girl.
Here's the original design.
That one's for next year, though.
That's next year's.
Right.
Okay, good night, Kylie. To bed, to bed. Love you. Hi.
Am I supposed to move?
No, I'm going to show you in a second. But first I want to show you. No, not you. My brother helped me tonight. I was making mummies. These are juice boxes. Well, this one's kind of funky right there. Okay. Aren't these cute? I made them for Kane's class.
Are you sure you're talking to yourself again?
Yeah, I'm talking to myself again. Because I do that all the time. Oh, hi. Okay, you guys want to see now? Okay, bye.